Hello and welcome to Review Mobility. Our platform allows consumers to post their independent reviews on their experience with mobility companies around the UK. Head to our website reviewmobility.co.uk to learn more. In this video today, we will be covering coping with Parkinson's, tips and tricks to help cope better. Let us get into the video. Coping with Parkinson's can be adamant, and you and your loved one are dealing with it directly, but there are things out there that can help make your or your loved one's life easier. Coping with Parkinson's key points. Parkinson's disease causes the muscles to become more active, making walking and climbing stairs more challenging. If a lift is needed, you must weigh all considerations determining the type of stairlift you need to suit the configuration and limitations of your house. Walkers that make it simpler to go about the home and prevent you from falling over. People with poor balance or weak leg muscles may benefit from using walking frames. Canes to help you stand up more steady. People with moderate to severe balance issues often use walking sticks. Using transport chairs to get around. Coping with Parkinson's, it may be the only choice to use a wheelchair even if getting out of bed is tough. Mobility equipment and disability aids for coping with Parkinson's. Stairlifts, both within the house and outside, may aid with mobility. Parkinson's disease causes the muscles to become more active, making walking and climbing stairs more challenging. Stairlifts, for example, might be the solution to this usability issue. If a lift is needed, you must weigh all considerations determining the type of stairlift you need to suit the configuration and limitations of your house. Most stairlifts are equipped with safety features, including seat belts, swivel locking mechanisms, and barrier sensors as standard equipment. It will automatically steer clear of any obstacles if they are identified. They are electric lifts that are rail-mounted that can usually be installed on the right side of the stairs. Since modifications are not usually needed, straight stairlifts are less costly to build than other types of lifts. There shouldn't be any issues with the installation taking less than a day to finish. Stairlifts do not run in a circle or a twist, they go straight, generally from the foyer to the staircase. Spiral or slanted stairs are frequent in buildings, and you may install an inclined stairlift on one of them. Because of the number of steps and the available space, lifts may be utilized on large and small stairs. The stairlift will run the whole length of the stairwell since curved stairlifts are more costly than straight ones. Walkers that make it simpler to go about the home and prevent you from falling over. People with poor balance or weak leg muscles may benefit from using walking frames. To relieve the strain on the knees, you may use walkers to help you redistribute your weight to your limbs. Room frames are the conventional, non-wheeled walking frames you'll often encounter within buildings. Rubber feet on these heavy-duty metal frames help keep them from sliding while in use. As a result, weight is uniformly distributed across both hands, which have plastic grips. Canes to help you stand up more steadily. People with moderate to severe balance issues often use walking sticks. The stronger side of the body is defined by the dominant hand and the hand that's used more often. Depending on their purpose, you can put canes to many different uses. Traditional walking canes, laser canes, or one of the leading legs are all options. The best option is just a regular straight rod with an end cover made of rubber in terms of simplicity. Adjust the cane's height for best protection, and make it comfortable to hold. Door and stairway fall prevention rails. On one side of the stairs, you may build a railing. If you'd like, you may even make it to the top of the stairway. You may purchase extension handrails from a home improvement shop to extend an existing stair railing. A handrail on the opposite side of the stairway might provide additional security. The chair and bed may be raised so they can enter and depart more easily. High chairs, standing stairlifts and beds allow for comfortable and healthy sitting and standing, reducing the risk of injury. The interior architecture of the building defines the style of the escalator. While this raises the table without destroying it, multi-purpose bridge lifts safeguard consumers who are both susceptible and nimble. Those people who safeguard using transport chairs to get around. Coping with Parkinson's, it may be the only choice to use a wheelchair even if getting out of bed is tough. A manual wheelchair is more cumbersome to use. The portable chair is perfect for errands around the house or trips to the store due to its compact size and low weight. Transport chairs are more comfortable for maneuvers when utilized in the place, including narrow hallways and doors. To make moving and storing these chairs easier, they all fold up. You decided to reinforce the wheel keys to make them more reliable in the long run. Summary of coping with Parkinson's. Parkinson's disease causes the muscles to become more active, making walking and climbing stairs more challenging. Electric stairlifts are electric lifts that are rail-mounted that can be installed on the right side of the stairs. Since modifications are not usually needed, they are less costly to build. Canes can be used to help you stand up more steadily. High chairs, standing stairlifts and beds allow for healthy sitting and standing. So that concludes our video on coping with Parkinson's, tips and tricks to help cope better. We hope you may have found this video helpful. Don't forget to go and check out some of our other videos on mobility aids, mobility scooters, stairlifts and much more. Head to our website reviewmobility.co.uk for more information.